Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to do on-page SEO in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your WordPress account. So if you do not already have one, create one and log into your account and open up the website you want to use the SEO for. And after doing so, it's going to open up this home page where at the left side screen you'll be greeted by all the options you can access for a website, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we can do for managing our SEO on WordPress. This is what we want to do, guys. Here at the left side screen, you want to go ahead and find the tools section. Clicking the tools section and open up marketing. So by opening up marketing, guys, it's going to open up this new marketing page right here. You can take a look at all the marketing things you have and tools, and what you can do is scroll down. So by scrolling down, guys, you can see that one of the options is going to be to hire an SEO expert. So what you can do, guys, is go ahead and find an SEO expert that's going to go ahead and enable you to use the best possible SEO for your website and add it to your website, and you can find all the options you have right here on Fiverr. The second option, guys, is to do it yourself. To do it yourself, you want to go ahead and open up the plugins right here. So here we have the plugins option right here, and opening up plugins is going to go ahead and open up this new plugins menu and marketplace where you can take a look at all plugins you can use. You want to use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for SEO. So search for SEO, guys. As you can see, after searching for SEO, it's going to go ahead and give us this results page right here. We can take a look at all the plugins related to SEO. You have Rank Math, SEO, Yoast, and so on. So these are all plugins you can test out. You can open up the plugin that you want to test out and click the install button that's going to appear right here. So by clicking the install button, it's going to add it to your WordPress website and you'll be able to use it, set it up how you want, and so on. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.